As I left London, it's been raining since Thursday, Wednesday, strong winds. And now, here I am in Spain, northern Spain. The rain has come with me, landed with me, and it's pelting down. And what's so, well, you can feel it, right? And what's so interesting is that I was looking for Spanish food. I've gone past, from coming out of the airport, I've gone past 5 McDonald's, and there's another big M here. I'm not joking. And then 3 Burger Kings, and they're absolutely packed. They're absolutely... Some artisan cakes for the lovely Easter. There you go. Find a little Super Co Express. And there I got a nice little cake. Yeah. And if you're in Spain, you get some oranges. Yeah. And if you're also in Spain, get one of these bottles of water. They're famous, these ones. Yeah. Normally you pay about £5-6 or £10 in London or New York. I paid 75 cents for what, 2 liters? 1 liter? Anyway, so here we are. No tapas, 12 o'clock on the 30th of, or 31st now. The time's going forward here in Europe. What am I doing in the middle of the road here in Tarragona? Forget about it. This is Valle, along the way to Lelida, Valle South. There you go, Poblet, UNESCO. Little villages. Las Maicias.